In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add SIM carrier billing to Google Play if you want to pay for apps, games, or other Google Play purchases through your mobile carrier instead of using a card. This setup is usually quick and easy. I'll walk you through exactly where to find the option and what to do if it doesn't appear on your device. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your phone. Once you're on the main screen, look to the top right corner and tap your profile icon. This opens the account menu where Google keeps your payment, subscription, and account settings. From there, select Payments and Subscriptions. This section is where you manage the ways you pay for content on Google Play, along with active subscriptions and purchase settings. Next, tap Payment Methods. This will show the payment options currently available for your Google account, and it's also where you can add new ones. Under the Add Payment Method section, look for the option that says Enable Carrier Billing, followed by the name of your mobile provider. The wording may vary depending on your carrier and country, but it should clearly indicate billing through your SIM or mobile network. Tap that option, then review the account details shown on screen. In some cases, you may be asked to enter or confirm your billing address or mobile number. After that, just follow the on-screen prompts to finish the setup and confirm the payment method. If the carrier billing option doesn't show up, there are a few things to check. First, make sure your mobile carrier actually supports Google Play carrier billing in your country. Availability depends on agreements between Google and the carrier, so this feature is not universal. In some regions, only specific providers are supported. If you use a dual SIM phone, make sure the SIM you want to bill through is set as the primary SIM for mobile data as well as calls and text messaging. This matters because Google Play may detect the wrong line if another SIM is active as the default. It's also important to disconnect from Wi-Fi and switch on mobile data. For carrier billing to appear properly, your phone should be connected directly to your carrier's network, not just to the internet through Wi-Fi. Finally, if everything seems correct but the option still doesn't appear, close the Play Store app completely and reopen it. A quick restart often refreshes the payment options and helps the carrier billing feature show up. Once it's enabled, you'll be able to use your carrier as a payment method for eligible Google Play purchases.